Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've done many videos on duplicate distance. But this young lady saying that she's getting multiple duplications, I don't particularly understand how that could happen. So if you look here, we just have one line. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And just for grins, your 2 1/2-inch, I don't think are in the center of the page, or center of these squares or half circles. Duplicate distance is 1/4 of an inch. Well, in millimeters, it must be 5 millimeters, because if we go to inches, it's 1/4 of an inch. So first of all, you need to have this set on 0, 0. Now we just have one of these, so we're going to Control D and we're going to make a duplicate. Well, there's just one of them, and there's just one of those. So you evidently had 2 or 3 circles already there, because if we grab all this now and Control D, then you're going to have possibly 4. And that's what you've probably got. You've got 2 duplicates already on top of each other, and then when you pick them. So set your nudge distance at 0, 0, and then go up to Tools and Save as Default. And then next time you open Corel, that will save as default. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.